Calisthenics. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do an L sit. Now this is an L sit. That is an L sit. This is a great calisthenics move to learn. Especially, well, it doesn't have to be calisthenics in general. It's a move that anybody can learn. Body weight, calisthenics, yoga. It's a great move to learn in general. So this move will help you transition to other skills, especially if you're a calisthenic athlete. If you want to go from L sit to bent arm planche, L sit to planche, L sit to handstand, all that. It is a great way for you to build up that core strength and the shoulder strength and the straight arm strength to progress into other calisthenic moves. So the first thing I'm going to be showing you is the stretches. Now, some stretches you could do is just have your arms, like I would say maybe knee width, and you want to just basically raise your legs up with your core and your hips. So depending on what your level, you can have them back here, up here, up here. It depends on your level. So you would do this and then just raise up. You want to make sure you're engaging that core, engaging those hips in order to bring your legs up. So you would do the same thing. You can do the same thing with straddle. Same thing with straddle, depending on where your level. I like to have them inward and then just raise up. I find straddle a little harder for me. I'm not really sure. Maybe I have a little bit of weak hip flexors, but you might find this easier than doing the full leg. So next, after that, you would do, if you want to use parallettes, or you can do them on the ground, you would work on your straight arm strength. So you would just push your arms onto the bar, push them all the way through. Make sure you're squeezing that shoulder blades back, and just hold for like 5 to 10 seconds. This will help you build up the straight arm strength in order to do the L sit. Also help with the other moves like straight arm strength for front lever, planche, handstands. So the next move would be to do the tuck. You would do the tuck version. So straight arm, decompress your shoulders, and just basically hold, push down, hold. I find it easier if you don't have to jump into it like this. I find it easier to do how the first progression, basically have your arms straight the whole time and just ease into it. I find it easier doing it that way. Now the next thing you would do is go from tuck to one leg. So same concept, you would do push your arms straight the whole time, decompress your shoulders, go from tuck to one-legged tuck, or sorry, one-legged. So same thing, ease into it, make sure those arms are straight, and then just basically push down, and then other leg. This is a little harder, so make sure you take your time with this. Hold for maybe 5 to 10 seconds on one leg. That's the goal. Maybe depending on your goal, you want to hold 5 to 10 seconds. That would be my goal. But depending on your level, if you want to hold it for 2 seconds, that's still good enough. And after that, after you go from tuck to one-legged, you can then go into full. I usually don't see a lot of people go into straddle. I'm not really sure why, but the straddle stretches is definitely still helpful. So same concept. You go straight arm pushing all the way down, decompress the shoulders, and then go from tuck to full. So same concept, decompress your shoulders, tuck, and just extend out. So that is the L sit, a great calisthenic move to learn for all levels. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more content like these. Thank you.